I bought the new Corteiz triple black cargos and I think these are the best shorts in the world. I'm going to cover everything about these cargo shorts from shipping to how they actually look. So make sure to stick around to the end. So guys, on Wednesday the 2nd of August, Clint419 randomly dropped the Alcatraz cargo shorts in triple black for the first time. The long cargos have released in this colorway, but never have the shorts. If you guys haven't watched my previous Corteiz review, I'll leave a link to it at the end of this video. And you guys will know I didn't have a great experience buying from the brand for the first time. However, this time, all I can say is, what a clothing brand! So the store for these cargo shorts opened at 12 PM UK time. Unusual for a Corteiz drop because they usually come out at around 7 PM UK time on a Friday. But I logged on straight away as soon as they came out. Put the medium size in my basket ASAP and then I checked out. I was doing this really quickly as I thought that the shorts would sell out instantly. This wasn't the case though, as I went onto the store hours later and the shorts were sitting there in every single size. I couldn't believe that. I think this is probably the nicest Corteiz cargo drop. Anyway, the order confirmation email came through at 12:03 PM. Now here's what's crazy. These shorts arrived the next day at 11:40 AM. What? That is crazy good shipping time. Way better than the 7 days it took for my t-shirt to arrive. I suppose next day delivery should really come as standard as you're already paying £5 for shipping. Let's get into the unboxing of these shorts. So they came in this zipped bag. It has the Corteiz logo on it as well as some text which reads, "The life you live is either a daring adventure or nothing at all." And to my surprise, when I unzipped the bag, I saw that there was this cartoon cardboard square and 2 stickers. I thought that these things were a really nice touch and I did not expect them at all. Makes the £80 price tag seem more worthwhile psychologically. Now let's take a look at the actual shorts. I picked them out of the bag and I instantly knew that these were the best shorts that I'd ever bought. The quality is really nice. I have some other cargos here so you can get a sense of what the material quality is like. Anyway, the shorts have 2 big side pockets with big flaps. 2 of the pockets have this really nice Corteiz lettering logo on it, and the others have the gorillas logo / font. I honestly don't really know what that is. I think it might probably be the way, you know, like how like kit providers like Man United have Adidas. I feel like that might be, you get what I'm trying to say? That also looks really clean as well. I personally think that this design looks way better when it's all blacked out, compared to when Clinton released the white Alcatraz shorts with the yellow gorillas font. There's another 2 big pockets at the back, once again, with the gorillas logo. Then there's the very obvious main attraction, the massive Alcatraz logo on the groin. I've got a pair of Jordan shorts with the groin design on it, so this wasn't a new feeling to me. Trust me, it's a weird feeling when you get a pair like this for the first time. But the Corteiz front obviously has a really nice logo. It also has this glossy texture feel to it, and you can tell it's premium quality. There's also a belt on this particular design of cargos. I know Clinton has released colours in the past which haven't included this belt. That being said, I'm so glad he's included it in this colourway. A, it makes me fit into them better. I'm about 6'2" guys and a 30 to 32 waist size. These Corteiz cargos are a size medium, and when I was buying them, the website suggested that a size medium would be good for a size 32 waist. I was a bit worried when ordering that the size would come out too small, so I'm so glad that they had a size guide on the website when I was ordering. Anyway, there's a little bit of room around the waist when I have the cargos on. However, a simple fasten of the belt and they fit me like a glove. To do up the front of the cargos, guys, Clinton has gone for a button-up format. I was quite surprised by this format. I've never seen this on any pair of like bottoms I've owned in my life. However, it works completely fine and I do mine all the way up to the top. I've actually seen some reviews where people have just left the top button undone and then done up the belt, and they said they did this as the shorts came a bit smaller than they expected. Luckily, mine are perfect fitting. There's one thing which I'm a bit worried about, however. The shorts say you can't wash them. I mean, who isn't going to wash their shorts? I'm going to put them in the wash and I'm going to pray that they're going to be okay. Guys, I mentioned before that I bought a t-shirt from Corteiz and it went horribly wrong. Well, that review is linked here, so make sure to watch that video now.